Hello everyone, myself Vijay from Chemistry Honours first year. So my roll number is 72. So today I am representing the presentation on Vesper theory. So introduction of Vesper theory. Vesper theory was suggested by Sidgwick and Powell in 1940. It was developed by Gillis and Newcomb in 1957. Based on that, in a polyatomic molecule, the direction bonds are around the central atom depends on the total number of bonding and non-bonding electron pairs in its valence shell. So, Vesper theory is the shape of molecule is determined by repulsion between all the electrons represent in the valence shell. Electron pairs in the valence shell of the central atom repel each other and align themselves to minimize this repulsion. Long pair electrons take up more space round the central atom than a bond pair. Lone pair attracted to one nucleus, but bond pair is shared by two nuclei. The minimum repulsions to the state minimum energy and maximum stability of the molecules. The repulsion strength are lone pair is greater than lone pair bond pair is greater than bond pair. Repulsion strength triple bond greater than double bond greater than single bond. Presence of lone pairs on the central atom cause slight distortion of the bond angles from the ideal shape. The magnitude of repulsions between bonding pair of electrons depends on electronegativity difference between the central atom and the other atom. Steps in the prediction of geometry. Determine the central atom. Draw the electron dot structure and bar diagram. Find arrangement of electron pairs. Find arrangement of bonding pairs. Determine the geometry based on the bonding pair. Shapes of molecule containing bond pairs of electron only. Central atom with two electron pairs. There are two electron pairs in the valence shell of beryllium, 1s2 2s2. Molecular geometry is linear arrangement and the angle between molecules are 180 degree. Central atom with three electron pairs, trigonal planar, three electron pairs in the valence shell of boron, 1s2 2s2 2p1. Molecular geometry होगी trigonal planar arrangement and the angle between molecules are 120 degree. Central atom of 4 electron pairs, tetrahedral, 4 electron pairs in the valence shell of carbon, 1s2 2s2 2p2. Molecular geometry tetrahedral, bond angle 109.5 degree. A methane molecule is tetrahedral with bond angle 109.5 degree. Central atom with 5 electron pairs, 5 electron in the valence shell of phosphorus, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3. Molecular geometry trigonal bipyramid, bond angle 120 degree and 90 degree. Central atom with 6 pairs, 6 electron in the valence shell of sulfur, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. Molecular geometry octahedral, bond angle 90 degree. Shape of molecules bond containing bond pairs as well as lone pairs of electron. Central atom with 4 electron pairs. Central atom with 4 electron pairs, tetrahedral, 5 electron in the valence shell of nitrogen, 1s2 2s2 2p4 2p3. Molecular geometry tetrahedral, electron para arrangement trigonal pyramidal. Presence of lone pair cause slight distortion from 109 degree to 107 degree. An ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal with bond angle 107 degree. Central atom with 4 electron pairs, tetrahedral, 6 electron in the valence shell of oxygen atom, 1s2 2s2 2p4. Molecular geometry V-shaped or band shape, electron para arrangement tetrahedral. Repulsion between lone pair bond pair is possible. It causes slight distortion from 109 degree to 104 degree. A water molecule is bent with the bond angle of 104.5 degree. Central atom with 5 electron pairs, 5 electron in the valence shell of sulfur 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. Molecular geometry seesaw or disordered octahedron. Electron pair arrangement trigonal pyramidal. Lone pair, bond pair repulsion. Central atom with 6 electron pairs, 7 electrons in the valence shell of xenon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 5s2 5p6. Molecular geometry square planar. Electron pair arrangement octahedral. Lone pair, bond pair repulsion. Effect of electronegativity: 5 electrons in the valence shell of nitrogen 1s2 2s2 2p3. Molecular geometry tetrahedral e pairs arrangement or trigonal pyramidal vesper. Presence of lone pair cause slight distortion from 109 degree to 107 degree to 102 degree. Repulsion between bond pair is less in NF3 than in the NH3. Ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal with bond angle of 107 degree. Limitation of Vesper theory: it fails in predict the shapes of isoelectric species like CH4 and NH4 positive and transition metal compounds. The model does not take relative size of substituents, unable to explain the atomic orbitals overlap. 7 electrons in the valence shell of xenon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 5s2 5p6. Molecular geometry pentagonal pyramid. Disordered octahedral. Lone pair, bond pair repulsion. References: Concise Inorganic Chemistry, J.D. Lee, Blackwell Publishing. Chemistry, Reyond Chang. Picture from Wikipedia. Pictures from Google Images. Thanks to my teachers and friends. Thank you.